Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some new Spigen accessories for your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and 12 Mini. Now all of these accessories you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 16 to 40 bucks. Alright, so let's get right into it. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. First up, we're going to start off with the Spigen 20 watt charging brick. Now this comes in black or white and it's going to run you 16 bucks. And of course, late but still great, ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building.
White shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
White shoes. Calm down. Y'all seen the curve like that? That's the new knife hand with the curve. Anyway, 16 bucks. This comes in black or white. It does have the foldable prongs. So this is a perfect travel charger. Now your iPhone is capable of 20 watt charging. This is 20 watts. So it's USB Type-C, foldable prongs, which comes in handy if you put this in your pocket, fold it up. You don't want to sit down with the prongs out. Trust me, you're going to have a bad day. All right, 16 bucks on this one. Next up, we got the Spigen MagSafe charger. Now this one is going to run you 25 bucks. It also comes in black or white. Now this is simple and straightforward. It's USB Type-C. So we're going to plug one end in. Let's plug this into the wall. Okay, just like that. Now you grab an iPhone, slap it right on the back, hit the sweet spot, bang, there it is. You get the real animation, wireless charger on deck. All right, 25 bucks on this one. Next up, we got the Spigen MagFit. Now, if you already have the Apple MagSafe charger, you're going to want to check this out. Basically, this is the MagFit. All right, so here's how it works. You're going to put your MagSafe charger in, just like that. And on the bottom, this has little sticky tape, so you can peel this off. So this way, if you got your MagSafe charger on your desk or your table, wherever you're at, it's not going to move around. All right, because if you just put it on the table without anything on it, once you put it down, it's going to slide up and down. Let's plug this one in so I can show you how it works. Okay, let's grab a little plug. There it is. Now, we're going to plug this in right on the table. Got to find the sweet spot. Okay, hold on a second. This is little struggles going on. Let's try that again. There it is. All right, so this is the Spigen MagFit. 15 bucks. Again, just keep your MagSafe charger from sliding around on the table. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Spigen MagFit Duo. Now this is a charging stand for your iPhone and your Apple Watch. Okay, so you got easy charge, stable mount, non-slip pad. Go ahead and check this one out. Now it doesn't come with the cables. You should already have those. Let's see how this looks. Okay. All right, now this is going to be for your cable management. Let me grab some cables and plug this in. All right, so here's how it's going to look fully set up. Now all you're going to need is your Apple MagSafe charger and your Apple Watch charger. So you're going to put the MagSafe charger in from the top, run the wires through the bottom. If you look closely, there's these little hooks. That's going to keep the wires from popping out. Put the Apple Watch charger in from the top, run the wires through the bottom. You got the same hooks. This way your wires are nice and secure. Got a little piece of sticky tape on the bottom. That's going to keep it from moving around on your table. And this has a soft, matte feel to it, so no fingerprints. It's going to look real nice. So you grab your Apple Watch, slap it on the charger. That's charging up. Grab your iPhone, slap it on the charger. That's charging up also. So this is the Spigen MagFit Duo. 20 bucks on this. Charge two devices at the same time. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Spigen Tough Armor Mag. Now this one is going to run you 20 bucks. Basically, it's your classic Spigen Tough Armor case, but now it's 100% MagSafe compatible. And on a side note, the original Tough Armor case did work with the MagSafe charger, but the magnetization wasn't as strong. This one is super strong. All right, so let's check this out. 20 bucks on this. Let's see what you get inside. Now you get a little ad for the 20 watt fast charging brick. Plug it and file it to the side. And here's your case. Now, this is one of my favorite Spigen cases. It's a two-part style case. So you got flexible TPU, polycarbonate hard shell. On the inside, you got your ear foam cushions for shock absorption. Buttons, cutouts, and the best part is now you got that MagSafe charging ring that's extra magnetized. All right, so let's go ahead and slap this one in. Okay, let's check the buttons. All right, there's your buttons, no problem. Look at all that juicy razivity. All right, so this is 100% Slamboy certified. And of course, let's grab the MagSafe charger, slap it right on the back, and there it is. Now look at the difference in the magnetization. Now it's not going to slide off. All right, so this is the Spigen Tough Armor Mag. Now they make this for all of the different iPhones. Let me show you what they look like. Here's for the iPhone mini. Let's go ahead and slap this one on. Now this one is going to be super strong magnetization because the back basically covers the whole phone. I want y'all to see that ring again. Slap it on. Okay. Charging up. Watch the magnetization strength. Epic fail. All right, there it is. Look how strong that is. Okay. Now, of course, if you jerk it hard, I know, giggity, it's going to slide off. But look at that. You can lift your phone up with the magnetization. Let's see if I can lift up the big boy. There it is. All right, so that's extra strong magnetization. I like that word. And we got one more for the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro. Slap this one on. Let's grab the MagSafe charger. Bang. There's your ring. There's your magnetization. All right, so this is the Spigen MagSafe Tough Armor Mag. Let's keep it moving. All right, so one more thing. Now, if you like me and you got OCD and you wanted to see that ring animation with the iPhone mini, it does work. There it is. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the case that I've been most excited for. We got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag. Now, this one is going to run you $20. Basically, it's your classic Ultra Hybrid case, but now it has that iconic ring around the back to let everybody know that you got the new iPhones that are MagSafe compatible. All right, so let's check this one out real quick. Now, on a side note, if you buy it for the iPhone 12, the 12 mini, or the 12 Pro, it comes in black, white, and blue. If you buy it for the 12 Pro Max, it comes in white, Pacific blue, and graphite. And I'm going to show you the differences. Okay, so this is for the iPhone 12 Pro. Inside, you got the same little ad, plug it and file it. Now, it comes with your little sticker removal. You don't want to do my classic rah because it will peel off. So these you got to peel slow. Okay, and till you get to the bottom, then you could rah. All right, you got one in the middle, rah, and one on the back. Peel it slow. See, you see it ripped? Peel it slow till you get to the bottom, then let it rip. Rah. Okay, now this is black. Now the one downside with this case is, check this out. I'm going to slap it on the phone. You don't get that little animation. But what you do get is an extra $30 in your pocket. This is the official Apple case. This one is 100% overpriced at $50. You're getting the same look with multiple colors, and it's also MagSafe for $20. All right, that's a $30 savings. Let's grab the MagSafe charger. Slap it on. Okay. It does MagSafe charge. Okay. Nice and strong. Look at that razivity. So it is Slamboy certified. Let's check the buttons. All right, there's all your buttons. And of course, all of the cutouts line up. So this is how it looks in black. Let me slap it on real quick in blue. Peel this one off. Here's how the blue is going to look. Remember, trust me, take your time with these. Rah. Now this is blue, black, and here's how the white looks. Okay, let me slap on the blue real quick. Just like that. Real sick. Now, if you buy the big boy, this is how it's going to look. You're going to get white. You're going to get Pacific blue. Now look at the difference in the blue. Okay, this is for the 12 mini and the 12 Pro. You're gonna get this royal blue. But if you got a 12 Pro Max, you're gonna get Pacific blue. Now this is gonna be more of a color match. Okay, so you slap this one on. Perfect match. Okay? Pacific blue and graphite. Okay, so here's the black versus graphite. You see it's a little bit more gray. So again, it's gonna be a perfect color match for your graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so you got blue, Pacific blue, graphite, and of course the wrong case. Of course, you got white. Okay, now this is the official Apple case. This is what I wanted to show you real quick. Here's the only thing missing is when you put on the official Apple case. Let me do that again. Hold up. All right, this phone has been trolling me all video. Let me exit out of that. Okay, we're gonna put on the official Apple case. You get that little animation. Now, is that animation worth an extra 30 bucks? The answer is no. All right, the case feels exactly the same. All right, it's hard shell. MagSafe does work. All your buttons cutouts. Even has the writing on the inside. Official tissue. All right, so this is the Ultra Hybrid Mag. Check these out. All right, so next up, we got the Spigen Valentine wallet case. Now this one is gonna run you 25 bucks. Basically what this is the Apple leather wallet case for half the price. Now I spent 50 bucks on the Apple version. I actually love this case, but it's overpriced and the magnet isn't that strong. So let's test it out against the Spigen version. Okay, so 25 bucks on this. See what it is. Now this case is made out of genuine vegan leather. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically fake leather, but it's more water resistant and more durable than real leather. Not to mention, no innocent animals were harmed in the making of this case, unlike the Apple case, where an innocent cow had to be sacrificed so you can look cool at Starbucks. No, you're not gonna have that issue with the Spigen version. Okay, so let's check the magnet first. Okay, slaps right on the back. Let's do the shake test. Okay, that's minimum shakage. Let's try intermediate shakage. Okay, so intermediate shakage, and it pops off. Now here's the Apple case. Here's minimum shakage. Let's do intermediate shakage. Pops off. Okay, so the magnet seems about the same, but again, half the price. Okay, you got your little Spigen logo. Let's see if it works through a case, and of course it does. All right, there's your shakage. This one has different access. Let me throw my cards in real quick. Okay. I'm gonna throw in one of my debit cards real quick. Okay. Now it's a nice tight fit. Okay. Let me throw my license in the back also. It has a little separator. So when you want to get your card out, you just slide it out with your thumb. Bang. Now this case is brand new, so you're gonna have to throw a few cards in there, loosen it up. Let me try the card in the back, because it is pretty tight. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a noob. It did have a little fake leather insert inside. Okay, let me flicker the wrist on that. Let's try that again. So I'm gonna put my live video struggles, y'all. All right, so I got two cards in here. When I want to get access, bang, slide it up just like that. Or you can push it from the bottom. Now I'm not gonna push it. You can see it come. I'm not gonna show my debit card numbers, but you push it out just like that. But I like hitting it from the back. Bang, just like that. Okay, slap it on the back of your phone and rock out. No more walking around with that big wallet in your back pocket. Fellas, that's how you got back pain, because y'all still got them big old school wallets, and you don't gotta look like these new school suckers walking around with a man purse. No, get one of these. All right, Spigen Valentina's wallet. Throw your debit card and your driver's license in there. Keep your money in your pocket. Rock out like a boss. And again, half the price of the Apple version. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the Spigen magnetic wallet. Now this one is gonna run you 40 bucks. Basically, it's a magnetic wallet similar to the Valentina's, but now you're getting a stand. All right, let me show you how this one looks. Okay. Here it is. Now, no vegan leather on this one. Kind of has a canvas feel to it. Okay. Nice textured pattern on the front and on the back. You got the same slot to get to your cards. Let's see, okay. Oh, check this out. Let me drop some cards in here real quick. All right, so I was just playing around with this off camera, and this is going to be my new favorite wallet case. And this is the one I'm going to use daily. And let me show you why. Slap it on the back of your phone. It is MagSafe compatible. But watch this. Here's minimum shakage, intermediate shakage, maximum shakage. This one takes maximum shakage to pop off. Now watch this. Put it on. You open it up. You can actually use this as a stand with different viewing angles. So if I want to watch a video with the phone in portrait mode, set it up like that. Or I can put it in landscape mode and rock videos just like that. Now the back is adjustable. So if you want to, you can set up different angles. Take the case off. You still got that same little slot in the back, all right, for easy access to your cards. Bang, just like that. You get to Home Depot, ready to check out. Bang, there it is. Keep it pushing. And this one actually has a little flap on the outside to cover up your information. All right, $40 on this one. This is my new favorite case. Then after that, I'm going to go with the Valentines. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so here's all the new Spigen iPhone accessories. Like I said, all the links will be up in the description. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get the drinks ready. No meatballs allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock wanted to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.